Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Tiny Delights. And I'm not going to ask you how are you all doing today. Instead I ask you, are you happy today? So because if you are happy today, automatically you'll be doing fine in life. So I hope you are all doing fine and happy and healthy. So today my thoughts are about people and creating memories. So, when we started our kindergarten, we had a set of friends. Even though we did not know really what was happening at that age, all we know is play with the friends. And when we started school, we made new friends and some close friends, some best friends, and then we were creating memories with them. And then once you finished your schooling, you went to a college. During that transition, we lost in touch with few of friends who did not join the same college as you joined, either maybe because they did not get the seat in the same college as you did, or they joined in a college in a different city, or their parents might have moved to a different city. So for whatsoever reason, they did not join the same college as you did. And even if they joined, they went for a different branch in the same college. So you really did not get to have a continued friendship. And in the college, you had lots of fun and studied hard, and you found a job for yourself. And once you joined the job, your first job, even though you were missing all your school friends and college friends and all the fun you had during the school and college, you are still happy because you are running your money, and you made new friends again, colleagues in the beginning, but then they turned out to be very nice friends for you. And after the first job, you again changed the job and you went to a different company or different city. So again there was a change in your life in terms of people. Why am I telling you all these things today and taking you back to the memory lane? Because whenever there is a change happening in your life and there's an upgrade happening in your life, you will lose people and you will find new people, of course, because whatever the stage you are in today, either school, college, job, or you got married and moved to a different place, different household, whatever the time you are spending with the people around you will eventually one day get evaporated and they become, see, now if we think of our school days or college days, we always want to go back to that time and want to cherish those moments again. You always wish that I wish I go back to school or college and spend some time with my friends the way I did in the past. But then why you are having that feeling? Because you have created good memories with your friends, so you want that to happen again and again. So that's exactly what the right now moment is. Right now moment is nothing but the current situation, the current position, the current place, the current people you are living with now. So it's very important that whatever the time you are spending right now with your people, with your family members, with your cousins, with your aunts, uncles, neighbors, school friends, college friends, colleagues, you spend it beautifully with laughter, joy, and understanding. Tell me one thing, how many times you are going to meet people in your life, in your lifetime? Maybe 100 times? That's a maximum if everything goes well from both the sides. If I meet a friend in a coffee shop, how long I can spend time with her? Maybe 2 hours, that's a maximum. And you meet your family relatives, mostly in the family functions, or if you are living by far off places, maybe you go to their place and live for 3 days or maximum 1 week. So there is a limitation in the numbers, right? So the life is very short than we think. So 100 times you're going to meet somebody in your life. That's it. I'm going to tell you something. In the last 2 months of time, I have spoken to all my friends with whom I was not regularly in touch. Say from minimum of 6 months till 6 years. I have not spoken to them. And I don't know why, because suddenly one day I recall, and who are the friends that I'm regularly not in touch with and what happened, and I started just messaging them or calling them, or either through WhatsApp or Messenger or through calls, and then maybe it was around 15 to 20 people so yeah, and then I started getting replies from them, and it was so wonderful to hear them back after such long time. Why I did that? I don't know. I mean, suddenly one day all the memories that had happened between us rushed through my mind, and I wanted to talk to them. I wanted to hear them, how they are doing in their lives. So why? It's only because of the memories that we had created with joy, laughter, and stories that we heard together. And I'm going to tell you one more thing today, because it is so overwhelming for me. Yesterday I got an email from one of my friend, a close friend of mine, asking how are things with me, how is life, and she gave me her number. I was shocked to get that email, because I did not even know that she had my email address. Because what had happened is, 12 years ago we were very close friends, and just one day suddenly she vanished from my life. I have no idea what had happened, and I tried contacting her. I called her a couple of times, and then I did not get any response, and then after many tries I just left it, and I did not even know that she had my email address. You see the email that she had sent me, she has very clearly written that she wanted to check on me, because we had created a wonderful memories together. You see, when you create such wonderful memories, good memories with people, they're always gonna come back. As I told you earlier that I went back to my 15 to 20 friends in the last 2 months, because of whatever the wonderful memories we had created and the time that we had spent with each other. It made me go back to them the same way I think my friend felt the need to come back to me and talk to me and hear me. So in the end, what I'm trying to tell you is, whatever the life moments that you are spending today, whatever the moments, tiny moments that you are spending in your life, eventually one day will become memory with people. And when you think of it, you smile, you laugh at the funny incidents that had happened between you people. So be wise, be good, to create memories for yourself, that you are not helping anybody by being happy or being positive or being understanding or helpful towards the people around you. It's for your own sake. If you are happy, it's a good memory that you are creating, and eventually 2 or 3 years down the lane, or maybe 5 years down the lane, or 10 years down the lane, or maybe in your when you get old, you recall all these things, and you feel proud of these moments that you had spent with your friends, and the way you enjoyed your life. So it all going to come back to you one day, and when you think of it, I'm sure there will be a broad smile on your face, and you think of it and laugh for the silly moments that had happened with you along with your friends in life. So be good with the people and have fun, create lots of memories. So that's all for today, and thank you for joining me, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy and stay healthy. Take care.